Guys, we're cooking some big old porterhouse steaks on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill. You're gonna need that XL today. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, guys, what are we doing here today? Guys, we have these huge, beautiful, humongous porterhouse steaks. We're gonna put them on the XL grill. We're using the Sear'NSizzle plate in there so we get them awesome grill marks. I have it turned on, that's why I'm talking a little bit louder. I wanted to have this preheated and ready to go so we can get these steaks on just as we're filming. All right, I used the max setting. We turned it on for 15 minutes, but I could only think we're gonna need about 5 minutes or so each side. But we will monitor it using, the ThermoPro pin. ThermoPro instant read pin. Guys, get you one of these. I know the Smart Grill comes with a probe, but I want to cook these so you guys can see how it's done without using the probe on there, just in case your model didn't come with the probe or you're using, the regular Foodi Grill, which if you're using the regular Foodi Grill, I would probably only get one of these steaks. These are pretty massive. The fillets are massive. The New York strip part of it is massive. I was looking for T-bones, but they only had porterhouses. So what is CJ to do? Of course CJ is gonna buy the big old porterhouses and we're gonna put them on the XL grill. All right, what I've done already with these is dry brine them. You know what I like to do when you get your steaks, any of your roast, any of that stuff, get yourself some kosher salt, sprinkle it on the meat, both sides, let it sit in the fridge, preferably overnight. Let that salt pull the moisture out, and then it will pull the salt back in, so you get a great flavor. Dry brining is the term. It's an oxymoron because brining is actually something in liquid, and this is not in liquid. But that's what it's called. All right, so roll with it. Okay, we're going to use, as a seasoning on there, a little sweet honey pecan. I don't know, whatever side of the country you're on. Pecan, whatever. I like to use a sweet kind of peppery rub on my steaks. Most of the time you're using a little salt, pepper, garlic on your steaks, but for me, I like a little sweeter peppery kind of blend on my steak. So I'm just gonna do a light coating of this. So let's go ahead and get these things covered up. Gonna do a light coat from a little bit above it. Okay. This is just a little bit of flavor. And I like to get you guys to try different things, get you out of your comfort zone. So many people just use salt, pepper on their steaks, which is fine. Trying a new rub, a new blend, any of that stuff, it don't hurt nothing, all right? It's gonna be good. CJ is not gonna steer you wrong. And yes, I know I'm talking about myself in the third person. Not entirely sure why either, but that's what CJ is doing today. All right, so last little bit. Y'all want to get yourself some of this Kosmo'sQ honey sweet pecan rub? Click the link down below. I'll have the website down there. Cosmo is a great company. Darian, the owner, really great dude. Steaks are ready to put on, so let's get these bad boys on. All right, let's open her up. A lot of heat going on in there right now. These are gonna be tight. Yes, sir. Oh, nice. There we go. Just enough room. Looking good. I'm excited for this one. We're gonna cook it for 5 minutes, check the temp, do a flip, finish it off. I can't imagine it's gonna take more than 10 minutes. Come on back. All right, y'all, we're coming up on the 5 minutes. Let's check it out. All right, let's take some temperatures. 115. 105. All right, these are gonna be done relatively quickly, so let's give them a quick flip. You know what, we don't need to flip them, but I want that crosshatch. All right, so we're gonna flip these back over and then we'll finish them up like this. Okay, so they're still getting the heat on the top. They're gonna be cooked evenly, but I want that crosshatch mark on the bottom. Make sure they've got nice contact to the grate. And then, like I said, another couple minutes and we'll be done. All right, team, 10 minutes is up. Let's check some temps. See if this thing's ready to go. Oh, it looks like it's ready to go. We're going to pull them off and let them rest. But they're gonna be money in the bank, I guarantee it. All right, come on back. All right, y'all, time to chop into this bad boy. Let it rest for about 5 minutes or so, maybe a little bit less, a little bit longer. We're looking on the inside, good medium. You know I'm going for the filet, so we're just gonna chop right into that. It's a bit medium, it's tender. The flavors, it's straight up medium, guys. So a little bit of pink on the inside, not a big deal. It's freaking tasty though. That's good. That's real good right there. Again, I cooked this to medium. Probably let it rest a little too long, but that's okay. Most of the people in the family like a little medium, so we kind of cater to those who we love, right? If you guys wanted a little bit more medium rare, I would probably only cook it about 7 minutes, give or take. Take it to a 120 and then let it rest. The strip is money, all right, but the filet is where it's at. You know, we can fight about it, but you know, you ain't gonna win. I remember, you know, growing up when we were coming of age, you know, hitting Vegas, hitting them dope restaurants and all that. I would always order the filet, and because I thought that's what you did when you're out on the town, suited up, whatever. But as I've grown in my age and my taste, a ribeye is where it's at for me. But this porterhouse right here comes a close second. All right, it's very good. That Kosmo'sQ rub on there, that little honey pecan, like just adds a little sweet. You can taste the pepper in it, but a little sweet in there. Well, it's just a different kind of flavor added to your steaks. I know people like to put their A1 with their steaks or whatever because you're adding a little sweet and kind of savory elements together. And that's basically what I did with this. Okay. If you guys want to get yourself any of this Ninja gear, you know, the Ninja Foodi Grill, anything from Ninja, hit the link down below. All right. If you guys want to get cutting boards, knives, anything I use in my videos. Recently, I've been getting questions about my setup for production, you know, my lights, cameras, action. Started putting the links down below for that. All the way down at the end of the description, there's going to be a list of the cameras I use, the umbrellas I use, the lighting I use, I mean, all that good stuff. It's all down below, my microphones, the whole bit. Cool? All right, last thing, if you want to join CJ's crew for real, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which I hope you already hit. And then join us for real. There's some behind the scenes stuff, lots of good stuff going on over there. Just gives you a little extra access. It helps out the channel. Every little bit helps to, you know, like I said, continue these productions and these great videos for you. But that's it. Listen, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.